Data recovery is crucial, especially when files are accidentally deleted or a flash drive is formatted. Understanding how to recover these files can save you from losing important information. When a file is deleted, it is often just marked as deleted and not immediately erased. This means the data may still exist on the drive until it is overwritten, allowing for potential recovery. First, stop using the flash drive to prevent overwriting data. Conduct an antivirus check to ensure the drive is free from malware, which could complicate the recovery process. There are several methods to recover files. Popular software like Recuva, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, and DiskDrill offer deep scan features. Alternatively, use the command prompt on Windows or Disk Utility on macOS. For software recovery, install the program, select the flash drive, and initiate a scan. Preview and restore the files, saving them to a different drive. For command prompt, use commands like checkdeskx/perf to attempt recovery. Regularly back up your data, organize files to prevent accidental deletion, and consider using cloud storage for important documents. Remember these recovery methods and share your experiences. Stay tuned for more tech tips and solutions.